What's up, YouTube? It's Champ. And today I'm gonna be changing the throttle actuators in my M3. Had them go out on me on the freeway too. The worst, limp mode, 30 miles per hour with no torque. So I know all my fellow M3 owners feel me. I wish I could have been getting like a lip or something, but I guess we'll take care of this first. I ain't gonna waste no time. I ordered my parts already. They should be on the way anytime. But until then, I'm gonna just start tearing this apart, taking the hood off, taking the intake off, and everything. I'm gonna get all that air box taken off, get the whole intake taken off, and then we're gonna just go from there. So, thank you guys for tuning in. Stay tuned and stick around for that first startup. And there you have. So what I did was I loosened up the 4 bolts that's in that middle plastic bracket and just unclipped all those clips. You can see the wires hanging out. These wires here, they all some lead down here, but I just unclipped them all, and you can kind of see where they run to. I unclipped those, and you can lift it up. You have to take the 2 back screws off back there. Once you get that off, you can lift it up, and yeah, you're pretty much good from there. You can see how much space you have now. I'll show you guys. You have quite a bit of space in there. And what you're looking for is these right here. That is your actuator. There's one, that's the one on this side, and here is the one on that side. So, should be pretty easy to get to now. I mean, you can look in there and see. You can kind of see where the screws are. Let's see if I can show you guys. Yeah, so it's actually those torques right down there that you see. You can see them right there. So there's 1, 2, 3, and then there's same on the other side. Alright, so actually I got all the bolts loosened in there. So now I'm gonna get ready to pull them out. Push this thing out. There you have it. That's it. You can see that's still my factory ones. See if I can get it focused. You know, so that's that. And this lever, you'll take this off and put it back on the new ones. But that's basically it. We'll grab that other one out. Goes in that one. everything else. Now we got those both cracked. Should be able to just pop right up. Just want to make sure I don't drop one of those bolts in there. And I already disconnected the plug for it also, because it connects up here. So that's one of the ones you're gonna disconnect in the beginning. And I already have my wire disconnect. And there is the second one. See, it's really not a bad job, man. Really not. As long as you're handy with a little bit of tools, you'll be able to get this out no problem. So, guess we'll just have the waiting game, waiting for new ones to arrive. All right, y'all, so we are back here again. So, today is the day. Today is finally the day. We got our package. We've been waiting forever for. Thank you, coronavirus. But it's finally here. Finally here. It is. And these came from Motorsport. So supposedly what they do is they get used ones that have went bad. They redo all the circuits and change the gears, but they actually upgrade it. So it's supposed to be better than just putting another factory one in there. I don't know. Who knows? We'll see. So I'm gonna get right to it, man. I've been waiting too long. I'm gonna put the bolts in and then drop it in, cause it's pretty tight in there. I got a magnet too. I could do that, but we'll see. I'll put the bolts in there, drop it in, and start it and see. Other than that, I mean, just go ahead and watch this. Show y'all something too. Got everything hooked up. Got the bar on here. Everything's pretty much good on the actuators. I'm just about to drop that down, back down, hook all the wiring back up. Should be good to go. This is my favorite part. Yeah. Wow. Yeah. And be back rolling soon, man. I can't wait. Can't wait to start it back. First start, y'all gonna be there with me too. I want y'all there with me too, first start. For now, let's get back to it. All right, y'all, so I got everything in. Let me show y'all what I'm dealing with now. Except for this one little clip. Look it down in there. Look. Way deep. It's one little connector. That one little guy right there. Ah! Let me see if I can get this for y'all. I gotta get it, man. I gotta get it. All right, so what I'm gonna try to do is just like squeeze my hand down in there. See if I can. Man, I've been trying to get this on for like 5 minutes now. You gotta have like some little baby hands. Man, don't tell me, look, watch how easy it be now. Don't tell me that. Man. Sometimes I guess you gotta just take a different approach, man. Have to take a different angle. So, while y'all here, man, I guess it's good. I got all the connectors in. So there was that one there. There was this one here. It comes up. Actually, it's supposed to sit inside here. I think we broke through that thing. Oh, there we go. Put that back through there. Yee. So then, let's see what else we got. Oh, we had that sensor there. Yeah, so we had that sensor there. This one goes to the intake. So we all good though. We looking good, man. We looking good. Got all the connectors in. All we really gotta do is bolt. Oh wait, damn, too hell of one to focus. All we gotta do is put those bolts in. This plate right here. Should be all good. I'm gonna just put those bolts in. I guess a couple here, 1, 2, like one back there. Check on my connectors, man. Check on my connectors, and we'll be ready to put that thing back on. We'll be ready. But so I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and I'll be right back with y'all. All right, man. Here we go. First startup. Got everything back tightened down. Man, thumbs crossed, man. Thumbs crossed, man. Fingers crossed, man. Fingers crossed. Hope it's all good, man. Startup. Perm. Let's get it. Hey, so we good, man. Hopefully I can get it out on the road tomorrow. Make sure everything cool. We good, man. Man, it's so good to be back, Video coming soon. I'm gonna show y'all what it do on the streets. No, I'm kidding, it's slow. But in the canyons though, we can see it in the canyons. For sure, we can see it in the canyons. So, stay tuned. Like, subscribe, follow, Instagram, all that. In the comment, in the link down below. Hit those links. Stick along, hang along, ride along, tag along, come along for the ride. And thank you for watching. We out.